Africa Twin features integrated support for Android Auto, allowing access to some of the core features of your Android smartphone using a familiar interface and Google Assistant voice recognition technology. In order to use Android Auto, you will need an Android smartphone running version 5.0 Lollipop or higher with the Android Auto app downloaded from the Google Play Store. A Bluetooth headset must be paired to Africa Twin for Android Auto to function. Without a headset paired and turned on, Android Auto cannot be initiated. See the Bluetooth pairing video for further details on the pairing process. You will also need your smartphone's original USB data cable to connect it to the vehicle. Note that using a third-party USB cable is not recommended and may result in error messages when trying to use Android Auto. Lastly, you must have the latest software update installed on Africa Twin in order to use Android Auto. To get started with Android Auto, plug the original USB data cable into your Android smartphone and the other end into Africa Twin's USB port. The USB port is located on the right-hand side of the front fairing. Once connected, Africa Twin's screen will prompt you to enable Android Auto with this device. Be sure to toggle Remember My Choice to On before enabling. Once enabled on Africa Twin, your Android smartphone may ask you to allow the Android Auto connection. Be sure to do this before safely stowing your phone. Once enabled, the Android Auto interface will appear on Africa Twin's display screen. If the bike is stationary, the touchscreen can be used. If the bike is in motion, the four-way switchgear on the left handlebar can be used. You can also access Android Auto functions using Google Assistant voice recognition, so you can safely keep your eyes on the road. To access Google Assistant, simply press and hold the talk button on the left handlebar until you hear the prompt. Then speak your command into your paired Bluetooth headset. Google Assistant is capable of understanding conversational commands and questions. For example, you can say, "Take me to the nearest gas station," and the system responds accordingly. To navigate back to Africa Twin's default home menu, select the exit icon from the Android Auto home screen. It is important to keep your attention on the road while operating any of Africa Twin's features. Be sure to get familiar with Android Auto's interface while stationary before enjoying it on the road.